Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm Sophia. I'm here in Trafford Centre. It's a large shopping and leisure complex in Greater Manchester, England. It's a very beautiful mall. Today, my mom is going to make her special ghee rice and I'm going to help her. It's a very easy recipe and you will definitely love it. 1 cup of mint leaves, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 7 cloves, 4 bay leaves, 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 green chilies. Adjust to your taste. 1 cup of whole cashews, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 cup of frozen green peas, 2 big onions sliced. In a large skillet, add 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions along with some salt and fry till they turn golden brown. In a big pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil along with 6 tablespoons of ghee over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 2 mint leaves. It gives a nice aroma. Now add cinnamon sticks, cloves, fennel seeds, the rest of the mint leaves, green chilies and a cup of cashews and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for another 2 minutes. Now add rice and fry for 3 minutes. Now add the sauteed onions and mix it well. Add salt to taste. Now add 8 cups of water and turn the heat to high and let it come to a nice boil. Once the water evaporates, reduce the heat to low and add frozen green peas and chopped cilantro and cover it and cook for 6 minutes. The ghee rice is ready. Turn the heat off and fold it slowly. It goes very well with any kind of gravy. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.